Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. And this one we got a 2015 Ford Fusion 2.0. This is a titanium. We're doing a alternator replacement and the battery. The alternator is down up in there. This coolant line in the way. And the battery. Alright, let me show you how that's done. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, first we're gonna go ahead and remove this battery. We got a bolt here, 8mm. Look like it's loose already. And we got 10mm nuts holding the cable. Pull that right out. Go ahead and remove this engine cover. Just pull up on it. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I took these two lines out. There's two of them. One down there. Just press these tabs in and pull it out. It'll have a little pressure. Won't be too bad. So I'm gonna take this bolt out here, like an 8mm, and what I want to do is swing this reservoir over and try to get it out the way instead of removing the hose and losing the coolant. And we got that coolant reservoir out the way, make room, because we're gonna have to come through here. So what we got to do is get the belt tensioner, which is this. Got to put a socket right on that and push up on it, and that's going to release the tension. And that's it. 13mm going to get that. Belt off. Now we can work on these bolts. We got one bolt up the top, and then we got two at the bottom. And that's a 10mm. So this is what I decided I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these holes. This hose in particular, right here. Remove that clamp, bring that back, and see if I can work with enough room that way, because it's damn tight trying to get up under there with the hose directly in the way. So that's what I got going on. I'll let the coolant flow in there. Alright, I took that clamp off, got it back here, and now I'm gonna get my channel locks, get on there, twist it off. Alright, we got some more coolant coming out. We got that off. Alright, let me try to explain what I got going on here. Alright, these are the two bottom bolts. Got those out. But this is how. I reach down in here with my right hand to do everything. I use a combination of these tools here. 3/8 ratchet, a stubby ratchet, a short 10mm socket, and I did use, this is what I actually used, the wrench to break the one on the bottom right side loose. So I'm just letting you know what I did. So it worked for me. Hopefully it worked for y'all, man. But it's a lot more room with this hose out the way. And you can see it has a little notch that holds it up. Put that and let it hang there. So now with this out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and get back here, get that signal wire undone. All right, I got it loose. It's gonna be a 13 mil. So that's a harness connector right at the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. So I flipped it around so you can see it. It's right there. So we gotta press in that black tab and pull that out. Got down there with my flathead. Pried it out. Now we ready to come out, man. We got to squeeze it through here. Remove this little Torx bolt right here. Alright, I tried and did not succeed. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to take out this thermostat housing after all. I believe it's held in by 3 8mm bolts. Alright, that's the thermostat. I took it out. Alright, and now it's a lot more space, a lot more room, and I should be able to squeeze through here. Alright, as you can see, we coming through, coming straight up, and it's the same position that it's in when you go sit it back in. That's the top bolt, and we're gonna squeeze it through.
A few moments later.
I ain't gonna lie, man, it was a pain. It was a bitch to get out, man, but I got it out. I scraped my hands up, got coolant all over, it's stinging. But of course you wanna go ahead and drain your coolant before you do this job. All right, we back with the alternator. And a new battery. So what I noticed different is the connector, and they got a different connector. It doesn't look like this, so beware of that. Alright, we got the connectors hooked back up, power wire and the connector back there. Alright, that thermostat back in there. Hook it up there, let it hang, and then we can put the bolts in. Alright, we in there. Put that belt on. Alright, we got that belt on. Go ahead and install that coolant reservoir. Alright, this is the type of coolant we need. Forward. Alright, that's going down. You want to top it off to the max. Got that clamp on there, almost forgot that. Alright, the battery is reinstalled. Go ahead and start it up. Alright, so it'll start right up without a jump. No problem. Test the battery in the alternator. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. I hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, pull up, King.